In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Takeout Gmail backup Mbox files. This is a straightforward process, but I'm here to guide you through each step so you can easily access your email archives. Let's dive in. To start, you'll want to head over to Google. Simply open your favorite web browser and enter Google into the search bar. On the Google homepage, you'll see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it to log into your Google account using your credentials to securely access it. Once you're signed in, look for the Gmail link in the Google Apps menu or type Gmail into the search bar if you don't see it right away. This will take you to your Gmail dashboard. Once you're on your Gmail dashboard, locate the waffle icon. This is the grid of small squares at the top right of the screen. Clicking it will show you a menu with all Google apps. Scroll through these apps until you find the Chrome Web Store. Click on this app to open it. With the Chrome Web Store open, you'll want to focus on the search bar. Carefully type in Mbox, which is the format of your Takeout Gmail backup files. The search will bring up a list of relevant extensions and tools. From here, you're looking for Online Mbox Viewer. This tool allows you to view your Mbox files directly within your browser, saving you the hassle of needing additional software. When you locate the Online Mbox Viewer, click on it to access its main page. Here you'll find an Add button. Click this to install the extension to your browser. It's a straightforward process, and once added, this tool will make it much easier for you to view your Gmail backup files whenever you need them. And there you have it. You've successfully set yourself up to view your Takeout Gmail backup Mbox files using a simple online tool. Just as a reminder, always keep track of the extensions you add to your browser and ensure they come from reliable sources. It helps maintain your online security and ensures you're using trusted applications. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, feel free to explore online forums or Google support for additional help. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, providing you the confidence to navigate your Gmail backups with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found the video useful, and stay tuned for more straightforward tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.